Good morning, everyone. Jeremiah chapter 33, verse 3. It says, "Call unto me, and I will show you great and mighty things that you do not know." The Bible says, "Call unto the Lord." The me there is the Lord. Call unto the Lord, and He will show you the reason why you are where you are. The reason why you are facing the challenges that you are facing. The reason why you are struggling. The reason why you can't move forward. The reason why your family is going through this. It says, "Call unto me." Why should you call unto Him? Because He's the omniscient God. He's the all-knowing God. He knows everything. But again, 1 Corinthian 16 verse 9, it says, "A great door and effectual is opened unto me, but there are many adversaries." Daniel chapter 10 as well speaks to us about Daniel when he went into 21 days fasting and prayer, seeking the face of the Lord. Day one, God answered him. But angel Gabriel, after he was released in heaven with the answers of Daniel's prayers, he was resisted by the prince of Persia. So what am I saying to you this morning? Is that when you call unto God, when you pray unto God, when you go into prayer and fasting, asking God to help you or to reveal things that you do not know concerning your life, He's a faithful God. He's a loving Father. He will answer you. But be prepared to wage war, because Satan doesn't want you to move forward. Be prepared to resist him. The book of James says, "Resist the devil and he will flee from you." So you resist him after calling unto God, showing you the reason why you can't get a job, showing you the reason why you are not having children, showing you the reason why you can't marry, showing you the reason why your marriage it has a lot of problems, showing you the reason why you can't provide for your family. Be prepared to enter into spiritual warfare. Stay blessed and do enjoy your day.